It is a terrible accident in Taiwan. The gas pipe is just blow up. I'm trying to make the video about this, and I'm not sure if there anyone get injured. You can see that motorcycle, the scooter, is just on the road. The pipe is really dangerous, and I don't want to get any more close to that place. You can see that it's really dangerous, really dangerous, and I hope there's nobody get injured.
爆炸发生在高雄市前镇区凯旋及二圣路街道沿线。据当地媒体报道，爆炸前街道的下水道曾传出浓的煤气味。目击者说，爆炸威力极大，还伴随着巨大的爆炸声和大火，沿管道线街道边的汽车都被掀翻和炸毁，沿街的建筑物受损严重，多处起火燃烧。 原本平坦的柏油路被炸得面目全非。爆炸发生之后，消防和拯救人员立刻到现场灭火，展开搜救。受影响的居民也被疏散到了附近指